Dell Inspiron 15.6 High-Performance Laptop PC. Dell i3567. Review. Deal discount. Unboxing setup. I really like this computer, good price for a touchscreen. I am not doing anything too difficult, word processing, web surfing and watching some videos. There was one issue, it did not come with the CD-DVD drive as advertised. However, I quickly contacted Amazon and they refunded some money which was put toward an external CD-DVD drive. Fast as hell, touchscreen is perfect. Able to open 3 browsers with 30 tabs each open plus running Word docs, editing software etc. at the same time. Boots up quick, SSD hard drive works wonders. No complaints. This has been a solid i5 laptop. Make sure you upgrade all the Dell updates for the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I was really disappointed at first, the internet was very slow. 5 MB/s with 50 MB/s service. After discovering that the Wi-Fi adapter needed driver updates from Dell, Windows key +A. It's working great. I only installed the critical and recommended ones, not the one optional app. Fast as hell. Touchscreen is perfect. The screen sometimes glares too much. Have to tilt down or up. And slightly pulls on my eye sometimes if I use it for long hours. Able to open 3 browsers with 30 tabs each open plus running Word docs, editing software etc. at the same time. Boots up quick, SSD hard drive works wonders. No complaints. Key features and benefits. Powered by 7th General Intel Core i5-7200U mobile processor, smart dual-core processing performance for HD quality computing. 15.6 inches LED backlit touchscreen with Truelife HD. Lets you enjoy your favorite movies, shows and games in stunning 1366 by 768 resolution. 8 GB of DDR4 memory is available to run games, programs and more. 256 GB SSD for fast startup while still has plenty of storage space for your documents and programs. Integrated Intel HD graphics 620 for outstanding gaming and streaming video. HDMI port lets you view videos, photos and games right on your HDTV or larger screen. Integrated Bluetooth 4.0 technology. Permits short-range wireless data transfers at up to 30 with other Bluetooth-enabled devices, including speakers, printers and phones. Windows 10 Home 64-bit, battery, 4-cell lithium-ion, 0.9 inches thin, 5.07 pounds weight, color, black. Laptop is no DVD optical drive. Overall great product. Highly recommended. Special discount on product. Get the discount link in the description box. Thanks for the watching. Have a nice day.